Your Excellency, sir, Faith Kipyegon is the double World Athletics 1500 meters champion with back-to-back wins in 2022 in Oregon, United States of America, and 2019 in Doha Championships in Qatar. She is also the double Olympic 1500 meters championship with again back-to-back with wins in Tokyo in 2022 and Rio de Janeiro in 2016. Congratulations, Faith, and once again for this exceptional performance in your career, and particularly your very good discipline. Faith broke the world record in 1500 meters in Florence, Italy, during the Wanda Diamond League Golden Gala in Pietro Manea in Florence, Italy, on the 2nd June 2023, with a time of 3 minutes 49.1 seconds. This is new level of athletics excellence, resulting in not only a world record but also a Diamond League record and world lead, as she is the first woman to run the 1500 meters under the 350 limit. This exceptional and world-class performance was followed by yet another super run in her fast 5,000 meters Diamond League race a week later in Paris, where she broke another world record on the 9th of June, 1 week later, 2023, during the Wanda Diamond League meeting in Paris in France, with a time of 14 minutes 0520 seconds. We congratulate you, Faith, once again for the wonderful performance. We had also one gentleman there from the media in Kenya, the only media reporter in Africa who was invited to go and report those performances, and this was Elias Makori from the Nation Media Group. He was reporting from there. Faith Kipyegon writes history as the first woman to break the world records in both the 1500 meters and 5,000 meters since an Italian Paola Pigni, who reset them, the two of them, in 1500 meters, 5,000 meters, and 10,000 meters over a 9-month stretch in 1969 and 1970. It has taken that long for somebody to come and break the same records. She has delivered her records within a week. The other one took quite a long time. And also, another Kenyan, you all remember, during the days of Henry Rono in 1970s, when he broke the world records in 3 events within 81 days. So she's the second Kenyan to have broken 2 world records within a very short time. Congratulations, Faith. We all know that for Faith to attain this level of excellence, it has taken absolute discipline, hard work, dedication, and patriotism. These are the attributes that we teach and encourage all our athletes to practice. Hence, she has become a real role model. It is also pleasing, Your Excellency, to know that Faith has extended her contribution further with support in the sport for climate action engagements, when she was one of our athlete ambassadors for the COP27 and during the Sirikwa cross-country tour in Eldoret, in tree planting and at the venue, and also giving interviews. We are very proud and grateful to Faith. Well done again, Faith. As I conclude, Your Excellency, may I take this opportunity to thank the government of the Republic of Kenya and the Ministry of Youth Affairs, the Arts and Sports for the unwavering support to the development of sports and the conducive environment provided to our athletes to excel as we witness these such world-class performances. Your Excellency, thank you very much. I would like to end there. Thank you very much, and may God bless.